Hey, Mr. Messed Up, what's happening? Got myself a new dryer. Thought I'd talk to you a bit about the dryers, particularly about maintenance, to make sure that you've got hassle-free drying from your dryer. The first thing is, there are two types of dryer that I'm aware of. A condenser dryer and a vented dryer. A vented dryer usually has a pipe coming out from the back into a hole in the wall to the external of your building to get rid of the moisture. A condenser dryer, which is what this is, collects the water, the moisture from your clothes in a water reservoir, which you've got to empty out. Now you can see there's water in this one, so I'm just going to empty that out now in a moment. So I've emptied this out in the sink. All you need to do is turn it upside down and the water will exit from here and you can empty the water reservoir. So that's point number one. Second point, in this particular one, there's a filter down here which fills up with all the debris you can see. So give that a wipe and get rid of all that debris. You can see that. And I think really you need to do this after each drying episode to just make sure that it's clean and free of any debris. And you can also clean it into the enclosure in which this filter sits to get rid of any dust or debris. I've got a little bit more here. Get that clean. Finally, in this particular model, there's a filter down here. Unclip these. Pull it out and you'll see that you get debris in here as well. So you can give that a wipe. You can even wash this under the sink and wash it in between the filter and at the top there. Just give it a clean, but you can also wash it underneath the tap to get rid of stuff and then dry it and then clean this area here as well where it sits and then push it back in. Put the clips back on and there you have it. There we have it. So I hope that you find that helpful in maintaining your dryer and having hassle-free drying of your clothes. All the best.